Hey guys, welcome back to my video of Tony's phone collection. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a Samsung phone. It's the SGH-D415. It is a singular device. If I remember right, I think it was a slider phone. And of course there's packing peanuts in this one. Let me take this note out real quick, as it has my address on it. Now this is a Samsung slider, if I remember right. I haven't seen this phone before, so I was like, I think it was like $8 or $10 or something. Oh, it's a T-Mobile device. So I was like, you know what, we're gonna try it and see what happens. Yep, SGH-D415. See, this thing's a brick too. It's a massive phone. It doesn't have any power. It looks like it's got a rotating camera on the back, on the front for a sliding phone. Pretty interesting. Here it is compared to an iPhone 8 Plus thick-wise, because it's a really thick phone. So, let me see if I have a charger. We can plug it in real quick and see if we get anything. And doesn't show to have any signs of power. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.